Hey everyone, have you ever imagined collecting millions of digital tokens with minimal effort? Well, today I'm going to talk about an incredible opportunity to do just that with the MemeFi bot. Recently, they announced the official listing date for the MemeFi token, and it's set for October 9th. But what does that mean for you? And how can you take advantage of this time to collect as many tokens as possible before the big listing? Let me break it down for you. By October 9th, the MemeFi token will be officially listed on major exchanges like Binance and OKX, which gives us about a month and a half to capitalize on this bot. During this time, you can collect up to 100 million MemeFi tokens, an amount that could bring you significant profits once the token is listed. But here's the catch. How can you ensure you're eligible to receive these tokens? Let me explain. One of the biggest risks you need to be aware of is using cheating tools like auto-clickers. The team has announced strict verification processes to filter out users trying to game the system. If you're caught using such methods, you could lose your chance to benefit from the airdrop. So play it safe and clean. Avoid any kind of cheating to make sure you secure your share. Now, you might be wondering, how much supply is available? Simple. The total supply of MemeFi tokens is 10 billion, which is relatively low compared to some other projects, meaning the token could see a good increase in value after listing. The exciting part? A whopping 90% of the airdrop is going to users, which is significantly higher than what we've seen in projects like Hamster and Atis. And here's some more good news. There are only about 11 million users currently in the bot, so your share of the airdrop could be quite large. The more you engage with the bot, the bigger your potential earnings will be. If you're asking, how do I get started? It's easy. I've included the bot link in the video description. Just click the link, which will take you straight to Telegram, and from there, you can join the bot and start collecting tokens. I'll also be posting daily puzzle solutions to help you earn even more tokens quickly. Don't forget to keep an eye on the official MemeFi Telegram channel for updates. They'll be sharing any new developments, tasks, or opportunities that can help you maximize your rewards. There are also daily tasks, both inside and outside of Telegram, that you can complete to gather tokens easily. In conclusion, focus on this rare opportunity. Bots like this don't come around often, especially with 90% of the airdrop going to users and a relatively small user base. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest news. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.